Here is the 8-horse Racine Sta-Rite. Runs pretty good these days. My father purchased this a few months ago. I had the truck. He had the engine. The biggest grief was in the carburetor. And as you can see, this is not the original carburetor. The machine actually fell on its side sometime in its life, or something backed into it, and the carburetor was cracked in half. Well, the mixer. I know this is a little bit dark back here. I apologize for that. I'll get to the front again. Good runner though. Of course, this engine is the precursor to the lacrosse Sta-Rite engines.